Flashcards, Set 4. Transportation, clothing, bathroom, and kitchen. Transportation. Train, bus, ambulance, airplane, bicycle, taxi, truck, car, boat, motorcycle, fire truck. Clothing, jeans, socks, sweater, t-shirt, shorts, jacket, skirt, underwear, vest, raincoat, dress, pajamas, robe, cap, flip-flops, running shoes, swimsuit, winter hat, mittens, snow boots, scarf, snowsuit, undershirt. Bathroom, comb, toilet, sponge, bathtub, body wash, sink, hand soap. Towel, toothbrush. Kitchen, glass, toothpaste, bath toy, plate, bowl, spatula, mixing bowl, fork, knife, pot, turner, spoon, chopsticks, frying pan, ladle, grater, cutting board, measuring cup, tongs, whisk, baster.